Yeah, hi. Happy Solar Storm Day, everyone. There has been news, even here in Finland, like mainstream news about that. Soft disclosure. Anyway, we are at Gizmondo. Astronauts' photo shows huge blue flash in Earth's atmosphere. The transient luminous event appeared as the International Space Station passed over Europe. This is the picture, and that's really amazing. That's really amazing because you can see also the sprites up here in the upper atmosphere. And I was thinking, trying to figure out where this is. And I was also thinking that this must be some dirt on the camera. Can't be nothing else. There's actually an article, but you can read it if you want to. I'm interested just about the picture. I'm really well prepared. I already opened Google Earth. So we were watching from Italy. This doesn't work. Does it? No. No. Yeah, it does. Check it out. So, it has been approximately like that. Yeah, that's the shoe of Italy, Albania, Turkey. Yeah, that's really hard to say. But if we would imagine, there's no landmarks really. Probably here, this tip and this tip, and then it's on the left. So it's this tip and this tip, and then on the left. Probably in Bulgaria. Or Turkey. Or, yeah, probably Bulgaria. So the site of that is somewhere, somewhat here, I would say. Right at the start or the end of this really nice sea pinch and this huge crater. Yeah, let's check out if there are some volcanoes there. There are. Actually, maybe not. Because it seems that the closest marked volcano is here. And then we have volcanoes here. Or it could be, the possibility could also be that one of those. has something triggered. None during the past 10,000 years. Keep me updated. Akuseni Mountains? None during the past 10,000 years. I don't know. There are probably more volcanoes which are marked on any map. And if you watch at those sites here, Christmas trees, Perrott instabilities, Lichtenberg figures. Fractal patterns. Yeah, they got even more fractalized by people and landscape shaping their fields there. But anyway, there could be a possibility that this sprite, which was recorded, could somehow relate to seismic activity, which includes volcanoes. I don't know. I just share my observations. Thanks. Bye.